Hi, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. Here to talk about how you know if it's time to repipe or replace the pipes in your home or small business. The lifespan of the pipes in your home or small business depends on a variety of factors such as material, age, wear and tear, and climate. If you have lead pipes, those should be removed and replaced immediately. If you have galvanized pipes, it's likely time to change those out as well, because galvanized pipes corrode over time and rust and debris build up like plaque along the inside of the pipes, narrowing the flow and affecting your water quality. If you have polybutylene pipes, those have a tendency to leak, so those should be checked annually as well to ensure that there are no leaks. If you can see your home's pipes and you have seen stains, discoloration, flaking, rust, etc., then your pipes are corroding and it could be only a matter of time before the pipe bursts, causing costly damage to your home. Low water pressure might be a sign that it's time to repipe your home, although low water pressure can be the result of a number of factors. If your water is yellowish, reddish, or brownish in color, that's a strong indicator that rust and sediment have built up in your pipes. But first, check to make sure you're seeing this discoloration with hot and cold water. If you only see it with hot water, then it's an indication that it is time to replace your water heater, and not necessarily your pipes. If your water tastes or smells bad, call your plumber for an inspection. If you see visible leaks on your walls and/or ceiling, that's definitely a telltale sign. Or if you hear rattling, clanging, clacking, etc., that could be a sign it's time to replace the pipes. In general, if your home or small business was built in 1970 or before and the pipes have never been upgraded, it's probably time to prep your budget for a repipe now. But before you make that decision, the first step is to reach out to a reputable, licensed plumber to get a complete inspection of your plumbing system from the water meter, where water comes in, to the sewer where it exits. A complete inspection will enable you to know whether you need just a small spot repair, or a repipe of just one faulty section, or if you need to repipe your entire home or office. At Pipe Wrench, we take photos and video with our iPads and can show you exactly what we find under your house and in other hard to investigate areas, and can discuss recommendations. If any work is needed, our plumber will then give you all options available for your situation, whether a spot repair is suitable or a whole house repipe, or just to keep a watch on your pipes as part of our annual plumbing inspection and water heater flush and maintenance. If you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City area, and you think an inspection of your home's plumbing system may be in order, give us a call. We can help. Call 865-583-3957, or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.